Pronouns. This video will help you with recognizing all the various types of pronouns. Remember that a pronoun is a word that is used in place of one or more nouns. It may stand for a person, place, thing, or idea. Pronouns are split into different categories. You will start to familiarize yourself with them once you look at this list and try to attempt to memorize common pronouns. So we have pronouns that can be subjects, such as I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. What that means is if you look at those words, they can do action, like I read, you read, he reads, she reads. So subjective pronouns can do action. They can act like a subject. Objective pronouns receive the action, me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Notice that it can do both. It can be the subject or it can be the object of a sentence. And then finally we have possessive here. So my, mine, your, yours, his, her or hers, its, our, ours, their, and theirs. That category shows possession in some way. And then we have interrogative pronouns and demonstrative pronouns. Take a look at those: who, whom, what, which, and whose, this, that, these, and those. We have indefinite pronouns. These are words that are not directly referring to one thing or person, but they're still taking the place of nouns. So words like one or anyone, everyone, someone, nobody, everybody, anybody, nothing, anything, everything, something, each, either, and neither. A lot of the times we tend to forget that words like neither or either really refer to a person, place, or thing. So they are in pronouns that are taking the place of something or someone. There are some that are plural, such as several, few, both, or many. And then these ones here could be singular or plural: all, any, more, most, or some. And that depends on how we use them in a sentence. Okay? The intensive or reflexive pronouns just happen when we add self or selves onto the end of a pronoun, such as my, myself, or him, himself, or you could say our, ourselves. So when you see the word ending of selves or self, you know we're dealing with what's called an intensive or reflexive pronoun. It may not be necessary for you to memorize their technical names, but it is necessary for you to look at this bunch of pronouns and be able to recognize them as pronouns in sentences. Okay? So if you were to quickly do some practice, our house is not far from theirs. Theirs and our, are pronouns. Okay? So you will get more practice with this in the demonstration video. I would recommend, though, that you do take some time to memorize or familiarize yourself at least with all the various words that make up pronouns.